I'm so excited to announce that I've partnered with Jenny Hansen Lane on a brand new course. She's going to be helping us with Amazon ads. So, if you don't know already, I'm a beginner when it comes to Amazon ads. So, I just want to look at my ads right now, like my ad campaigns, to show you what I mean. So, these are all the ad campaigns I've run so far with Amazon KDP. So, date range down here is lifetime. And I really don't know what I'm doing, being honest, right now. I'm still learning, I'm still trying to figure it out. I haven't really run ads much at all. I ran them a little bit in December and January, and then I ran them a little bit in February, and that was 2022 and then 2023. And then I did run them for the whole month of June for the very first time. And my spend is $35.96, impressions about 47,000. $266.15 in sales, but you have to remember those are the actual like complete sales. So this isn't my profits. Amazon's cut and everything like that isn't taken out of sales, but my ATOS is 13.51%. So I have been making a profit, which is great. I just don't know the exact number right now. But I'm a beginner when it comes to ads. I run $1 a day or $2 a day, and I don't have a lot of money to budget for them. And I also am a firm believer that you don't need ads to be successful. You don't need to spend money to be successful with KDP. However, I do think that ads can help scale your business. I think ads can help get your books in front of more people. So I don't think they're necessarily bad. I just think you don't always need them if you don't want them. But I'm looking to scale my business quicker, so I've been starting to use ads. Jenny Hansen Lane has offered to partner with me on a brand new workshop, and I am so excited for this. And I'm more excited that she's offered me to be able to share it with all of you. So not only am I going to be getting pretty much a live coaching call, but you're going to be able to as well, because she's also going to be doing a Q&A, and this is going to be on July 12th at 5 p.m. Eastern. But if you can't make it, that's totally fine. You're also going to be able to watch the replay. So if you don't know who Jenny Hansen Lane is, go ahead and check her out right now, especially if you're interested in Amazon ads or honestly just anything about making money online and having time freedom, because she has a channel full of amazing knowledge. So I looked at her most popular videos, and she's made well over, I'm pretty sure, like $90,000 in total sales with Amazon ads. But she has a few videos here talking about her ads and how much money she's made. Here's a $5 strategy for Amazon ads. And there are so much more videos on her channel to look at. And this is a course that we are offering, and I'm so excited for this. So the early bird pricing is $27, and I'm really happy about that because I know a lot of times courses are way too expensive and it's really hard to find the money to afford them. But since this course is geared towards people like me who don't really have a lot of money right now, just starting out with Amazon ads, like a complete beginner, to be honest, like I really am still so new to ads. I'm so happy that we're able to offer it at a price like this because I understand the worry of losing money. So instead of trying to figure out Amazon ads on your own and potentially losing $20 or $30 just by doing that, you could pay $27 and have this live coaching call with the replay and with the Q&A with Jenny Hansen Lane, who has proven she knows what she's doing time and time again with Amazon ads. And I'm just beyond excited for this. So if you sign up before July 10th, my code is Taylor10, and that will get you the $27. If you sign up after that, because doors will close, this is for July 12th, and we don't currently have anything planned for after this. So this may be the only opportunity to get on a live call with me and Jenny together to go over Amazon ads. So you don't want to miss this. That price will be $37. So if you're tired of book sales and you're ready to kind of take your business to the next level and you want to use ads, then we're going to be doing over-the-shoulder Amazon ads coaching. More like Jenny is going to be coaching, but I'm very excited to partner with her on this because I am definitely a beginner and I'm looking for everything she's offering here. So what she'll be going over is how to create your first Amazon ads campaign, what is the best type of ad to use for your books, and how to scale a low budget campaign. And I'm very happy about this because a lot of courses for Amazon ads are way too advanced for me. Like, I'm not ready to do 10 different ads and all these fancy things, spend $100 a month. Like, I can't do that. No, I'm not ready for that. So having this course geared towards beginners like me with a low budget is just amazing. And to be able to offer it to all of you, I'm so excited about it. And I do try to be as transparent as possible on my channel, and I will say again that I do not think you need ads to be successful at KDP. I just think that ads can help scale your business faster, and I personally am looking to do that. So that's why I've been starting to learn Amazon ads. But if you don't want to use them, it's fine. I just want to offer this to all of you since she's given me the opportunity to, because I know there's multiple of you who have also wanted to start ads who are also learning ads but don't really know where to go and are kind of stuck. So I think this can be beneficial for all of us. And thankfully, the pricing is more affordable than a lot of other courses out there. So I think this is great. For a live coaching call, Q&A, and option to watch the replay, I think this is awesome. So Jenny has sold, I mean, this picture here, well over $90,000 in sales. And again, remember, that's not the profit, but that is still a lot of sales. Even if she made $2 royalties, which I'm pretty sure she usually sets her royalties higher, so that is a really good amount. And she has made thousands of dollars a month with KDP. She's had 17 million impressions, over 17 million impressions, and just so much more. A 3.46% ACoS, that's so low. She has proven over and over again she knows what she's doing with Amazon ads. And this is for low content publishers who want to increase book sales. So this training is not geared towards high content, but this is geared toward low content, which are a majority of all the books that I sell and that I'm currently advertising. So if you're looking to join us on this, I would love to see you all there. And remember, if you want $10 off, sign up by July 10th with my code Taylor10. And let's go over some of the basic questions here that you may have. So how much will you need to spend? We're going to be focusing on $1 a day. How many books can you try to scale at once? She'll be going over 2 different strategies to scale one book or multiple, so that's up to you. If you can't attend it, you can watch the replay. If you're not tech savvy, the Amazon ads interface is actually pretty user friendly, and so are the tools. So I think if you joined this coaching call to kind of get a look at that or some more information, and then there's some YouTube videos as well going over them, I think it'd be fine. Like, you don't have to be super tech savvy, but obviously everyone has their own comfort zone. Will this be offered again? We don't know. I like right now we have nothing planned, so this may be the only opportunity to join a live coaching session and Q&A with me and Jenny Hansen Lane. So I recommend jumping on it while you can, because the doors are going to close and I'm not sure if we're going to offer this again. And again, this is targeted towards low content books. So if you're looking to join on something like this, check out the description that I have. I'll have the link there. I'll probably also pin it in the comments with my coupon code, but remember, my code is only good till July 10th, and that'll get you $27, and after that it'll be $37. So this will be Wednesday, July 12th at 5 p.m. Eastern. It will be a live coaching call with the Q&A, but if you cannot make it, you will have access to the replay. And I'm beyond excited to partner with Jenny on this and learn from her. So I really hope to see a lot of you there. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. I'll do my best to answer them. I'm just beyond excited to have this partnership and have this workshop up, because I think this is not only going to benefit me, but it's going to benefit a lot of you as well that are in the same boat that I'm in. So thank you so much for watching and listening to this video, and I hope that you have a great day.